Hey everyone, Dr. Olivia here. I'm a board-certified dermatologist and your dedicated partner in achieving healthy, radiant skin. Throughout my career, I've seen countless patients struggle with confusing routines and ineffective products. The good news? You don't need a complicated or expensive approach to see results. Today, I'm sharing my expert advice on building a personalized skincare plan that simplifies your routine and gives you the healthy, glowing skin you deserve. Know your skin type. The foundation of any good skincare routine is understanding your unique skin type. Oily skin tends to feel greasy throughout the day, while dry skin feels tight and flaky. Combination skin has areas of both. Identifying your skin type helps you choose products that won't irritate or disrupt your skin's natural balance, which is crucial for keeping moisture in and protecting you from environmental aggressors. Cleanse wisely. Cleansing twice a day, morning and night, is essential for removing dirt, oil, and makeup buildup. But ditch the harsh scrubbing. It can damage your skin's natural barrier, leaving it vulnerable to dryness and irritation. Instead, opt for a gentle cleanser formulated for your specific skin type. Look for cleansers that are fragrance-free and non-comedogenic, meaning they won't clog your pores. Hydration Hero Moisturizer. Regardless of your skin type, proper hydration is key. Moisturizer traps water in your skin, keeping it plump, supple, and healthy. Here's the secret: moisturizer isn't just about feeling good on the surface. It actually helps strengthen your skin's barrier function, which in turn helps prevent future problems like breakouts and premature aging. Oily skin benefits from lightweight, oil-free lotions, while drier skin craves richer creams or ointments. Sunscreen, your daily BFF. Sun protection is your best friend, no ifs, ands, or buts. Daily sunscreen use is the single most important step you can take to prevent premature aging, wrinkles, and even skin cancer. Here's the science behind it: UV rays from the sun break down collagen and elastin, the fibers that give your skin its youthful structure and bounce. Consistent sunscreen use helps preserve those fibers, keeping your skin looking younger for longer. Choose a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher sunscreen and apply it generously every single day, even on cloudy or overcast days. Serums and treatments, targeted TLC. Serums are concentrated formulas that address specific concerns like wrinkles, acne, or dark spots. Apply them after cleansing and before moisturizer. Think of serums like boosters for your routine. They deliver a high dose of specific ingredients to target your unique needs. Treatments like exfoliation can be beneficial, but be gentle and avoid over-exfoliating, which can strip your skin's natural oils and lead to irritation. Beyond products, lifestyle for healthy skin. Healthy skin goes beyond just what you put on it. Getting enough sleep allows your skin to repair itself. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Managing stress levels helps prevent breakouts. Chronic stress can trigger the production of cortisol, a hormone that can worsen acne and other skin conditions. And eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides your skin with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Think of it this way: you are what you eat, and that applies to your skin too. Listen and adapt. Every skin is unique, so pay attention to how yours reacts to products and routines. If you experience any irritation or dryness, adjust your routine accordingly. Don't be afraid to consult a dermatologist for personalized advice. We can help you create a customized plan that addresses your specific needs and concerns. Unlike a generic internet search, a dermatologist can assess your skin type, diagnose underlying conditions, and recommend products that are safe and effective for you. Remember, achieving healthy skin is a journey, not a destination. By following these tips and finding the right routine for you, you can unlock your skin's natural radiance and feel confident and beautiful in your own skin. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more science-backed beauty and health tips. Let me know in the comments below what your biggest skin concern is. I may address it in a future video.